Who's there?
She's here. Quick, get into position! I'm all fueled up, but baby, there's nothing you can do now. Is that a sports drink? Heck yeah, we do.
Thing is, I might look your way accidentally after scoring another point.
Well, I don't know if a kid ought to be asking that kind of stuff, but I can't shake this feeling.
Which also reminds me.
Yeah.
Better.
Oh, merci beaucoup. Socarita. I'll say. Oops. Uh-oh.
Only 2 and a half. I refuse to make up for her slowness.
Felicity, are you ready? See? I told you. In the bag. Worth it!
Thanks.
That hit the spot. I couldn't resist.
Since I finished my pudding,
And I ate his lunch.
But sometimes I do have manners. More or less.
Si j'étais toi, j'essaierais au moins. No, can't do it. Now you tell us.
I don't trust you!
Make it 5. Bring 'em.
Oh, eat a dick.
Bring it.
Today's special!